class is now continued. I want to increase the size of variable and increase font size, control shift plus. Okay, now I press control shift and plus, size is now increasing. Okay, here you can see I added variable value into the double quotation. If you want to add a value into the double quotation, it considered as a string for suppose collection of words. My name is Khan, I am name, just like this, and any string or any letters. When you add simple value just like this, it considered as a number to store into the variable. Okay, here I am coming here and now see what is the result of both variables. Now at this time I want to display of the result of C, so that is why I written right here C, and finally save it, come back here. Yeah, output comes up. Now add double quotations here. Let's see what is the result coming up. 32. It means that this is considered as a string. Okay, now it added first 3, after that added first 2. Here you can see first it added 3, after that added 2. Okay, not to added value as a plus, it means that it add 2 value in both A and B. Alright, hope you understand the logic of variables, how to create variable, how to declare variable, initialize variable, how to add value and perform arithmetic operations on them. Okay, and these are arithmetic operations. For suppose I want to minus it and saved it, these are just strings, there is no any defect in it. For suppose I refresh it, it goes on 1, it minused from 3 p1, it means that it display 1.